Hello, and I'm Jans from Introtech Automotive, and I'm here today to show you a better alternative to the traditional ice scraper and snow remover for your front windshield. Our Introtech snow shade comes with a free storage bag. And now I will show you how easy it is to install this custom fit snow shade. Each custom fit snow shade comes with these easy installation instructions. The first step is to remove the custom fit snow shade from his storage bag. And now I will show you how easy it is to use this custom fit snow shade from Introtech Automotive. At first, we lift up both the wiper blades and then unroll the snow shade against the front of the windshield. Lower the first wiper blade. Put the side flap through the A-frame of the automobile. And then neatly put the rest of the snow shade in place. Lower the other wiper blade. And then meet up with the buckle system underneath the rear view mirror on the inside of the vehicle. Now we're here on the inside of the car. We connect the male and the female buckle underneath the rear view mirror. And now your custom fit snow shade is permanently attached to your automobile, and your entire front windshield is protected from snow and ice for the evening or during the day. And there you have it, a custom fit snow shade manufactured by Introtech Automotive with a lifetime warranty on your automobile.